Hello all there. Today we are shooting A to Z snacks challenge. Yes. So we're gonna go alphabetically and also snacks में क्या क्या include होगा? I'll be saying like almost all the packaged food such as chips, instant noodles, cookies, not chocolates, but kind of these things. Okay. So I have basically divided it. So A to E we're gonna do breakfast. It's now 8:30 a.m. and we'll be having breakfast from A to E. Also ये सब ढूंढने के लिए मतलब काफी चीजें तो ठीक है मिल गई थी बट काफी सारी चीजें बहुत मेहनत लगी है मुझे.
मुझे
Yes, I mean हमें right. So Sumit is also gonna join us for this.
For eating only.
No, he has helped me a lot with finding things as well. So इसमें काफी सारे letters थे like Z, X, R भी difficult था, U, V से काफी सारे letters थे जो बहुत difficult थे हम लोगों को ढूंढने के लिए.
But I came for helping her.
Yeah, so whatever. Just in case if you remember anything like X, V, Z जो difficult letters है उससे हमारे अलावा तुम्हें और कोई snacks ध्यान में आते हैं तो do let us know in comment below. Okay, so we'll start.
Yeah, quickly. I'm hungry.
So I think इसे rate करना is like मेरा कोई हक नहीं बनता इस पे कि that I should rate it because it's all-time favorite and go-to snack for our Indian household. So मैं इसे पहले से ही 5 out of 5 दे रही हूँ but as it's A से आलू भुजिया. It's the all-time favorite time to go. आराम से मॉर्निंग 8:30 जल्दी गाइस.
Bounty Strawberries. It's something new. इसकी एड भी आपने बहुत जगह देखी होगी.
किससे बोलो?
Okay.
It's in the flavor cheese and alpino.
Okay. Let's start.
Yeah. Promise expressions मुझे लग रहा है मैं ट्राई करूँगा नहीं करूँ.
Nice. I think you should have it hot.
No, it's not meant for that. But इतना भी अच्छा लगा मुझे.
Especially this flavor, I will just give it 2 star. What about you?
Yeah, same.
Okay. I think it's time to have this something better.
Choco pie. See, say we are having choco pie. Again. I'm giving this 4 out of 5 क्योंकि मुझे बीच का वनीला नहीं I think 4. मुझे बीच का वनीला इतना पसंद नहीं आता है.
Choco pie.
Yes.
Okay, then I will eat it. Don't worry.
हाँ.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh my God! You can see एक बाइट सुमित का कितना बड़ा
अभी
था.
तुमने भी एक बाइट ली उसमें से.
मैं
Okay.
बोला था.
D for Dark Fantasy we are having. And yes, ये तो मैंने ऑर्डर खाने के. ऐसे से. Popcorn.
Obviously. No doubt it's a 5-star thing. E से we are having Epigamia का fruit yogurt. It's in the flavor strawberry. Oh my God. It's
Okay.
Please do the honors. Then I'll have good one. Breakfast actually थोड़ा light है. It's nice. I'll be giving it 4 stars. Yeah.
Because generally she doesn't like yogurts.
Yeah, but I love this one.
But it's quite
What?
so.
So it's strawberry flavored, na? It will be. Oh my God, itna?
2.5.
Oh no, yaar. Please, come on.
That's it, 2.5. Okay. So that's it for breakfast. Stay live or stay on the video ताकि आप lunch का टाइम भी हमारा देख सको. Right, Bro?
Yes, lunch will be having from F till देखते हैं कब तक. Breakfast थोड़ा light था. Lunch is going to be quite a lot heavy. Let's see how we'll make this day. So we are all freshened up and it's time for lunchtime snacks. So either complete किया था. Now we go for F.
F for we have this Fabio biscuits.
let's go.
It seems like Oreo, right?
Yeah. It's nice.
Yeah.
Oreo में vanilla तो भी होता है like.
It's quite crispy. I think it's more crispy.
Yeah.
4-star?
I'm gonna give it 4.5.
Yeah.
I loved it.
I'm 4-star.
Next one is G. G से we are having gobbles. So it's a fruit cake from Britannia. Okay, it already has a cake. Inside. Actually काफी fresh लग रहा है, सब packaged food लग नहीं रहा है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very soft.
But मुझे taste बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगा. तो I'll be 3.5. What about you?
Yeah.
I think chocolate variant ज़्यादा
Three.
अच्छा होगा, hopefully.
Yep. So here the next is H. H for hide and seek.
One minute.
Yes.
So,
That is.
just comment down below अगर कोई मेरी तरह ऐसे लेयर जैसे खाता है क्या, मतलब कभी खाते थे क्या?
मतलब मेरी तरह 2-3 साथ में लेके खाता होगा.
Yum.
अपनी लंच तो में सब खत्म करना चाहिए ना.
Obviously. But still, ये हम लोग खाते रहेंगे side by side. I say we will be having inchi. This is the veg chow-mein noodles. Ready in 4 minutes. ये हम लोग first time try कर रहे हैं. I से जब बहुत difficult हो रहा था, तो this was the savior. So I'll make it and we'll be back. So, ta-da! We are here with our noodles. These are instant noodles actually. So we have added Szechuan sauce and lots of things to make it a Szechuan noodle. So I'm not going to give you a Szechuan noodle ka review, but the proper noodle review. How is it?
Yeah, noodles is quite very soft. Really good. It's nice.
Yeah.
So,
I'll be giving it, I think, for 4.5, right? It was nice.
okay, let us continue with that. We'll start with the other biscuit that's from J. That's Jim Jam. Okay, it's a favorite. मेरा तो काफी पसंद था बचपन से.
और मुझे सिर्फ बीच का जेली पसंद है and मैं बाकी का कुछ नहीं खाती थी.
अभी सब जाएगा. सबसे पहले.
अभी बात नहीं.
आज मैं को अभी प्रॉमिस कर
हाँ वैसे अगर कोई खाना पड़ा.
5 star.
मैं जेली को 5 स्टार दूंगी. बाकी आजू बाजू का मुझे नहीं पसंद आता है.
I'm going to have one more.
Have this only now. मुझे बीच का जेली दे दे.
Thank you.
हाँ जेली चाहिए था मुझे.
Not.
Very bad. J, after this we are doing this. For very obvious kurkure, everyone loves it. So chili चटाका flavor है. I love it. मुझे ना हैदराबाद हंगामा भी बहुत पसंद है इसका. आपने खाया?
बड़ा लोग हैं.
Seriously.
So see, इतना सारा लंच हमारे पास.
5 out of 5. मैं पूरा फिनिश करने वाला. And yes, हम लोग actually सब कुछ फिनिश कर रहे हैं because this is only our lunch, dinner, breakfast.
Another is L. Without wasting too much of time.
Yeah.
क्योंकि खाना तो हमारा दिन भर चलेगा. Obviously ये भी बचपन का फेवरेट चीज है हमारे लिटिल आर्ट्स.
Haters, please don't hate me, but मुझे लिटिल हार्ट्स नहीं पसंद है. I don't like it. पहले से ही बचपन से.
और बात अच्छी बात है कि प्लेट मेरे पास रहेगी. It's best thing. Okay.
You wanna rate it?
Obviously, it's 5 star. Okay. I think अभी हमने काफी खा लिया. थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं.
ये इतना फिनिश करेंगे and then we'll see you again with I think
Starting from
M.
Yep. Starting from M. See ya.
So we are back. एल से हम लोगों ने एल तक हम लोगों ने फिनिश कर दिया था एंड पूरा टेबल इज क्लियर. अब वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स एम. वेरी ऑब्वियस मैड एंगल्स. दिस इज इन पिज्जा फ्लेवर.
बस 3 स्टार. अरे
Why 3?
मुझे तो अच्छा नहीं लगा.
Not 3 यार, क्योंकि क्रिस्प बहुत अच्छा क्रिस्प है.
3.5.
यहाँ पे 3.8.
Okay.
Crisp is awesome. Flavor इतना अच्छा नहीं है. This is pizza bun. You can try another one.
After M, now we are going for N and for the best nachos. We had this nachos from Macro, and really it's one of the best nachos we had. So let me just pour this.
It's from name Snackly.
Yeah, so let's take the packet and we are having this.
Considering nachos, this is the best because इसके अंदर तुमको dip की भी जरूरत नहीं है. It is super crispy and taste is amazing.
Okay.
Yeah. So next letter is O. मैं already बनाकर लाई हूँ. O for oodles. It is from Saffola. तो बनाते वक्त का मैं एक रिव्यू दे रही हूँ कि O से oodles सर्कल रिंग्स बताता ही है, बट मैंने बहुत ध्यान से बनाया. स्टिल ना काफी टूट जाते हैं, सॉफ्ट हो जाते हैं. तो जो oodles दिखना चाहिए वो तो नहीं दिखता है. लेट्स सी टेस्ट.
Maggi is best.
Yeah, Maggi is love. So
But I suggest you have this. I
2
will have
stars.
this.
No,
Yeah.
2 stars.
Okay. After coming from O, we are going to the P. Pepe. जो हमारे
ये जो स्नैक एकदम.
हाँ क्लास में जो टाइम पास करने के लिए खाते रहते हैं. Best. Now we gonna
After years I'm tasting this.
हाँ.
Yeah.
We used to have daily in the classes. आराम
तो
से
years ना क्लासेस को कितने साल हो गए?
2-3 साल.
ओह.
ओके. तो अभी हम आराम से खाना आ रहे हैं.
या.
इतना सारी चीजें बचे हैं. अब भी अपनी. Okay. It's 5 p.m. Here we are there with our high tea with the quinoa chips.
Q for quinoa.
Yeah. So let's see some.
Okay.
It's on this side, right?
काफी salty है ना पर. Taste is good, but it's
Yeah.
still salty.
It's a bit more salty. I think you can have this with mayonnaise. Then it would be taste better.
Mayonnaise और honey dip.
Yeah.
Nacho dip.
I will give 3.5 star because anyways I don't like this healthy stuff at all.
Oh. I'll give it 4 just because it's healthy. Otherwise, taste only अगर taste देखो तो 3, not 3.5. Crisp अच्छा है.
Okay.
We'll finish that later. So I just can't wait. आज we are having ramen. Ramen's kimchi. So it is basically Korean kimchi flavor. I was so excited to try this. काफी सुना है इसके बारे में. So
Yeah.
मुझे अच्छा लगा.
Not so spicy जितना तुम बोल रहे थे.
नहीं ये स्पाइसी वाला नहीं है.
Okay.
इसमें ना एक सुपर स्पाइसी करके आता है. इट इज एक्सट्रीम स्पाइसी.
It's good. We can give 4 star around, right?
या
Kimchi.
बट ना एक्चुअली इसका प्राइस सॉरी बट ना एक्चुअली इसका प्राइस इज 110 रुपीज पर पैकेट. Amazon पे भी मिल जाएगा, बाकी इजीली जनरल स्टोर्स पे नहीं मिलता है. तो रिगार्डिंग प्राइस और फिर टेस्ट देखो तो इतना वर्थ नहीं है.
Maggi जिंदाबाद.
After having ramen, we are here with S Simply Salted from Balaji. Everybody must have tasted this.
Generally go for cream and onion,
Yeah.
but ठीक है अभी.
S
This
से चाहिए था.
challenge. It's with S. You must be knowing with the name Upas Wala chips. It's all time good. Balaji
Yeah.
best.
I'll give it 5 out of 5. मुझे पसंद है. Tea.
T for tasty nuts. So
Unbreak challenge.
that drinks challenge will continue this food.
Super yummy. 5 by 5. Moving on to Ute. User. We have got Unibica fruit and nut choco snack bar. It has cereals, dry fruits and nuts. Let's see. Healthy version of bar it is. It tastes good.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
In chocolate
Plus
flavor.
healthier version है. Best. Yeah, ये chocolate flavor है. दूसरे flavors का add out. Cranberry भी आता है.
No, but the best. Healthy version is the only thing I have liked at all. Okay, I can have this more.
Later.
ठीक है.
First we'll review everything.
Now there's V, जो हमें मुश्किल से बहुत मिल नहीं रहा था. Then we got this Vita Marigold.
They are small than marigold actually and lighter also.
अभी
in
से
color.
मुझसे छोटी होती जा रही है.
और प्राइस बढ़ती जा रही है. काफी फीका है ये as compared to normal biscuit.
And crisp है.
Crisp अच्छा है.
It's nice.
I will give 3.5. मुझे normal marigold ज़्यादा पसंद है.
I think we could have T for tea and then this biscuit. It would be perfect.
He isn't a snack.
I'm so sorry. Okay.
Moving on to W. Waffy chocolate flavor. तो ये most of लोगों ने खाया नहीं होगा hopefully. Yeah. But W को काफी. Oh wow. Say how many 5 Japanese languages कब से start किया हुआ है? Done. .5 out of 5.
Nice one.
So, this was our dinner. We'll finish it all and then we'll meet you in midnight snack. उसमें हम लोग करेंगे X, Y and Z, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
and yes, वो काफी मुश्किल थे. Now, as it's time for some unique letters, जिसकी चीजें हमें मिल रहे काफी टाइम लगा था. That is X, Y and Z. So from X we got.
These are the Zigua sticks, Zigua jelly sticks. Actually, Zigua ऐसे नाम like search किया तो it is Chinese watermelon. तो उसका नाम है, आप can see सब watermelon shape में है. I'm gonna try this. Okay. It's nice, not that great. It's good.
Okay, then it was time
4
for
out of 5.
Y. Yeah. Then it was time for Y, and from Y we got something like Yippee. So as noodles हमने बहुत खा लिए थे, so we took Yippie's pasta here.
Tricolor pasta.
Yeah, and
We have
this,
already made it. Yum.
it's good.
Yeah.
3.5 star, but
Yeah. Not more.
good Maggie की पास्ता और tasty लगता है actually.
Yes.
Yes. इसका सुबह रात को ज़्यादा लगता है.
हाँ ना, तो सीधा सीधा बोलो. So from Z we have zigzag biscuits.
It seems like Monaco only. You correct? No, correct.
Tastes exactly like Monaco.
I mean, crisp is exactly like Monaco. So it's perfect. You can say alternative for Monaco.
What's the price?
I think it's 5 rupees.
Yeah, then it's good.
Yep. So here we finish our A to Z challenge.
Yeah.
Specifically, all efforts to Purva. Again, मुझे इतनी सारी चीजें खाने मिल गई एक ही दिन में. 26 alphabet, 26 things, right?
Yeah. So we are also gonna do A to Z drinks as well as chocolates challenge. You need to subscribe to get the notification of that particular video because that is going to be like super exciting and बहुत अलग अलग तरह के ड्रिंक्स हमने ढूंढे जितना हमें पता भी नहीं थी उतने हम लोगों ने जा जाके ढूंढे. So do watch that.
Drinks and chocolates, both काफी variety हमने cover किया. Okay, so yes, don't forget to like this video and again to hit the bell icon.
Till then, live young, live free. All cutleries which you saw in the video were sponsored by Adon Craft XZ. So they have an amazing range of platters, cutleries and drinkwares which are completely food safe, organic, with long lasting shine, and they are easily washable. You can serve hot as well as cold food directly on it. Do check their Instagram handle and don't forget to use my code PU810 PUA10 for 10% discount on the complete range. I'll link it in the description below.